Here we are, with the latest tech updates, so let's get started. European Union is making USB-C ports mandatory from 2024. USB-C charging will be mandatory for phones and other handheld devices sold in Europe by autumn of 2024, according to a decision by the European Union. The rule will also apply to other electronic devices, including tablets, digital cameras, headphones, video game consoles, and e-readers. Laptops will be required to follow the requirement at a later date. Twitter is giving Elon Musk access to its Firehose data. Elon Musk had warned to drop out his $44 billion deal to acquire Twitter, saying the company has refused to give him information about its fake accounts. Twitter has now agreed to allow Mr. Musk direct access to its Firehose data, which means he will have the access to the stream of millions of tweets that flow through the company's network and the related users' data to analyze the spam accounts and automated bot activities. Apple's augmented or mixed reality headsets may launch in 2023. Apple's mixed reality headset was widely rumored to make an appearance at Worldwide Developers Conference 2022. Apple's analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has predicted that the headsets with Reality OS will hit the stores before next year's Worldwide Developers Conference. In a tweet, he states that the timeline has been pushed because of the COVID lockdown in Shanghai has interrupted the product development. Microsoft is gradually discontinuing its business operations in Russia. Earlier in March, the Microsoft Corporation said it was discontinuing sales of all new products and services offered by the company in Russia. According to Reuters, Microsoft has decided to suspend all of its operations from Russia gradually. The move will impact at least 400 employees presently working in the country. Other multinational companies have already suspended their operations in Russia. Telegram is launching its premium subscription service this month. Founder Pavel Durov announced that Telegram is launching premium subscription service later this month, giving users additional features, speed, and resources. He said that Telegram's existing features will stay free, and the paid features will cost $4.99 per month and will come with no ads, faster downloads, voice-to-text messages, tools to customize chats, and much more. Google is paying $118 million for lawsuit settlement. Tech giant Google was accused last year for paying its female employees $17,000 less than males doing the same job, as part of the ongoing lawsuit. It has agreed to pay $118 million to more than 15,500 employees to settle a long-standing lawsuit over gender discrimination and equitable pay. The company agreed for a third party to analyze its hiring and compensation practices as part of the settlement. Meta is launching its Metaverse Academy in France. Facebook's parent company Meta and a French digital training firm will soon launch a Metaverse Academy in France for the new academic year. The goal in its first year will be to train around 100 students for free, which will be located in the capital Paris and other cities including Lyon, Marseille, and Nice. The Metaverse Academy will train 20 students per city each year. Bitcoin ATM's installation is increasing despite the market crash. According to CoinATM Radar's recent report, the number of Bitcoin ATMs installed throughout the world has increased in recent days. Over 882 Bitcoin ATMs have been installed in various regions of the world in just the first 10 days of June. On an average, between 16 to 23 crypto ATMs are being installed around the world daily, although the crypto market and Bitcoin price is falling sharply. Microsoft is shutting down its oldest browser, Internet Explorer. Microsoft has finally announced the retirement of its oldest browser, Internet Explorer, after 27 years. The browser reached a peak of 95% usage in 2003, but it was unable to maintain its position, and the user base began to decline dramatically. In a blog post from May 2021, the company explained that they had begun moving away from Internet Explorer, and were leaning more into Microsoft Edge. This much for today. And, thank you for watching. Also, consider subscribing to the channel to never miss any updates.